Alright, let's check it out. Under pressure power wash out here on the island, right on the ocean side, cleaning up these pavers. They were black. Let me tell you, they were dirty. And you can see they're drying up and looking really bright. There's no swirl marks, no etchings, no burn marks. The sidewalk goes all the way around the backside, and then the other one is actually twice as wide and goes all the way out to the ocean on the other side. You see this little, where they just moved all the equipment over there. You can drive your car over there, and the sidewalk goes down that way. Take a look at how clean all this is. That's what you want. 561-907-9541. Now this is a $24 million home, and that's why they called us, because they trust that we're going to do a high quality job, and you can tell we're doing a high quality job. So this driveway is 10,000 square foot combined altogether, and it's about